So in case you haven't noticed yet, the task view is looking a little different these days in ClickUp. I love the revamp of the ClickUp 3.0 task view, and I can't wait to show you all the amazing features. My name is Christy. I'm the CEO and founder of DaSilva Life and Systems School. I'm also a verified ClickUp consultant. So my goals with this channel is really to educate you about ClickUp in general and also all the amazing new features, especially with the ClickUp 3.0 rollout coming soon. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the loop about all the things. With that, let's dive into the ClickUp 3.0 task view.
All right, we have another ClickUp 3.0 overview video for you. I'm so excited about this one. It's definitely one of my favorite new features for ClickUp 3.0. I touched on it on the previous 3.0 updates video, so if you're interested in a full breakdown of what's new, of what I have access to so far, feel free to go check out that other video on our channel. Today, we're just going to be focusing on the new things in the 3.0 task view. So let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and click into this task and let's walk through what is new. So first of all, if you go into the settings, you'll be able to see if I switch to 2.0, how this definitely looks similar, but there's a different feel. And there are some new features of the 3.0 task view that are really an up level. So if I switch back, the first thing that is super obvious here is the fact that you can now add covers to your tasks. So you can click on change cover and you can see you can have just a solid color and also have a custom color. You can have these fun gradients here. You can have nature, ocean, etc. You can upload your own images, link to an image URL, or even search images. That is how I found that YouTube photo here, if I spell YouTube right. So you can see that's a different one, but it's super cool because you're able to view this task in a different way. First of all, it makes it more customizable. Second of all, it brings your attention to something where, say you have different project types, right? Say I saved this task template for all of our YouTube videos. Every time I'm in this task, I know it is a YouTube task, right? You can also use this as a project banner. Say you're sharing this task with a guest or a client. You can customize this to them, which is super cool as well. So that is the banner. Then let's talk about the new activity bar on the right side. So we have activity, doc links. This is because I have Zoom linked here. Any links that I've put in the comment section or in the task. And then you can add links or relationships as well. So the activity is really just task activity, so you can see all the different things here, and then comments, things like that going back and forth. Doc links is the docs that we have linked to this task, which is our SEO doc. Zoom, you could start a Zoom meeting from a task, that's an integration. And then links, because I posted this link in the task, it then showed up in this links button, which is amazing because now you're able to find all the links within a task in one place. It makes it so handy. Not only can you do that, you can see it in grid or just in list view as well. So it's really, really awesome. Okay. So that is this new activity. And again, you can add a link and paste them here. Also rename what that link is, etc. Let's also talk about the different layouts. So this is just the general layout, right? You have a task card, pretty standard, but you can also do full screen, maximum productivity. This is what I'm focusing on. Or there's a new view called sidebar. And this is where you can have this task in the sidebar and still work on whatever you're working on. Definitely really nifty, especially if you have larger screens, but no matter what, it's really awesome. So that's new with layouts. Don't forget that you can always minimize tasks. This is one of my favorite tricks as well. Okay, So the design of the comments look a little bit different, but everything is pretty much functioning the same. But over here on the left, you'll now see that you have this sidebar for subtasks. So now you're able to see it in just a more functional way, in my opinion. You can also add subtasks or nested subtasks and grab task info by right-clicking on here or clicking the 3 dots as well. So I love just like the general flow of this. I feel like makes more sense. Everything is laid out in a more clean and crisp way. You'll also have, what is this? This is a task and this is the task ID. And then what's also cool here, it definitely took me a little bit to get used to, is all the fields. If it's not being used, for example, I just took away that tag, then it's up here at the top until you add it, right? So if I add this tag and then put YouTube vid, then it's going to show up in this section. If I do add priority high, now it's going to show up in this section. So you'll see these different things here. Not until you add them will they show up underneath the task name. I also really like how ClickUp has muted the colors a little bit. You could see like with the tags, the tags were always a little bit muted, but like priority, things like that, they're more like translucent, I feel like, which is cool. So the description is pretty much the same. You could see this is our YouTube task template where we have just these standard graphs. And then this was a more recent update, which I really love, is that now details, subtasks, and action items are more of this like tab of sections. So you don't have to scroll down the entire task to find all the information. Now you can see, I can see the subtask here. I can see action items, checklists here, and assigned comments as well. And then the details would be custom fields and then any attachments. So I really love how they added these tabs here. You can also like search custom fields too, which is really cool. And then see them in full screen. So that is the details, subtasks, and action items. Attachments, I believe this was available in the other one, but you could see the attachments as tiles or as list. You can also make those full screen as well. I just feel like now task view is more like comprehensive, especially if it's like a larger project, right? Because sometimes our tasks are like small, right? It might be like an admin task. Sometimes they're like a 2-week project that we're working on for a client. And I feel like the way this is laid out, it's super sleek, but it's less of like, just check this off my to-do list. You really could store so much information that you want in here. So that is really everything that I wanted to go over with you. The new layout for task view. I think it's sleek. It makes sense. I'm super excited and have been loving using the new task view. So let me know in the comments what your favorite part of the task view is and what you're most excited for with the rollout of 3.0.
So I hope that video was helpful in learning about the new ClickUp 3.0 task view. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to stay in the loop about all the new videos and features coming down the pipeline. But if you are ready to fast track your ClickUp success, make sure to check out our System School ClickUp course. We have 70+ video tutorials. We update it as new features come out, and you get access to me and my team in the support community, where you can not only ask questions in our exclusive community, but also attend our monthly live calls. I'll also make sure to link our template vault, which has 40+ plug and play templates to easily just go right into your ClickUp so you can start organizing your business today. With that, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.